I just showed you some moves with this fitness circle that can help with upper body strength. As I mentioned, there's a heat wave happening right now. So you want to keep cool, maybe put on your AC, fan can help a little bit. But just mentioning that you're not going to overexert, but I'm going to show you that you can use this same handy dandy little piece of equipment for inner thigh work. So I'm just going to do it seated. Look at that. Well, that is really targeting right on my inner thighs. I'm inhaling. I'm going to exhale, squeeze, and hold it. So I'm not popping right back out, right? I'm using inhale, exhale, core in. I'm going to hold that so the contraction is happening on my inner thighs. I'm going to ease back out. And just like I did, if you watched that last video, I'm going to do one side at a time, focusing first. I'm going to focus on my left side. So I'm going to inhale and I'm going to exhale. I'm just pushing in with that left leg. There's some resistance here, right? You have to have something to press against. But this is the one I'm moving. And now I'm going to move the other one. Right? And I'm also trying to lift up and support myself from my core. I could put my hands behind me to elongate my spine. And I'm going to inhale and I'm going to exhale. So I might do a few of those, right? Just a few at a slow pace, and then I might hold it there. I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna pulse, so it gets a little more intense. All right. Oh yeah, here. So I will now do a slight release for there. Soles of my feet together, knees opening wherever they're able to. Legs can be further out if I can't, because of my limited mobility. Pull my knees in far enough. And maybe a little pressure with my hands or my elbows, sinking my knees down toward the floor. And I might rock around a little bit. Again, you don't have to hold a static stretch. You can have a slight motion to help unlock things. You never want to feel pain. I don't believe in that no pain, no gain. We're not doing that. You're easing into it. You're slowly building up your stamina and strength. And especially in the heat, you're not pushing too hard. Okay? That's just a couple of tips using one of these isometric designed pieces of equipment.